Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm back with yet another tutorial video on app guide, and in today's video I will show you how you can leave a chat group in a Viber application. So you use your Viber application to message your friends and families, and you have joined a lot of groups, or you've created a lot of chat groups in a Viber application, and now you want to leave some of that chat groups but you can't figure out how you can do it. Watch this video till the end. I'll show you some simple steps in order to leave a chat group in a Viber application. So to leave a chat group in a Viber application, the first thing you want to do is open a Viber application. Once you open a Viber application, locate the chat group that you want to leave. Open that chat group. Once you open that chat group, what you want to do is tap on the three dots on the top right corner. From the three dots, what you want to do is go into a chat info. From a chat info, what you want to do is scroll down. Once you scroll down, you can see two options. One is clear chat content, then another one is leave and delete. So to leave this group, what you want to do is tap on the leave and delete option. Once you do that, Viber will ask you for confirmation whether you want to just mute the group or leave and delete the group or cancel instead. So to leave this group, what you want to do is tap on the leave and delete option. Once you do that, you'll successfully leave the group and the group will be automatically deleted as well. So that was the simple steps in order to leave the group chat in a Viber application. So that will be it for today's video. Hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video with some new information. Goodbye.